This video demonstrates how to configure a new project in the Clashmanagement Suite and the Clashmanagement Suite viewer. The first step is to open the Navisworks file used to generate the Clash report. Then, we're able to configure the project either from scratch or based on an existing file. Let's get started and click on the CMS Tools tab, and then open the Configure tab. Here you see we have default parameters already set, and as an alternative option, we can create a new configuration with a template. If you click here on the config folder, you will see the file extension for the Clash template is CVT. Hit open, and then we will first check the disciplines, which are listed right here. Our disciplines for our clients are already set up for what they need. Next, we can see that our fields are set up properly. You can see that the fields correspond to the fields in the model name format. Now we can go and select our folders. First, select the project folder and the report folder, where the Clash reports are stored. If you choose to store them by area, you can use the field defined down below. After that, the Clash reports will be stored according to area. Next, here in the reference folder is where your XREFs are stored, and as long as we don't need to change the naming format, our files are good to go. I'm happy with the highlighted colors, so we can leave them red and green. And now click Save. Now we have our configuration saved. It's just that easy. For more from MKCI and CommandSol, join us on Pinterest and Instagram. And you can visit our website at www.mkci.ca.